If you haven't done the checkerboard challenge, it's probably a good idea to do that before this one, because we're going to rely on some of those skills you learned in that series of videos. And I need you not to just do the videos. I need you to practice and own those skills. Just getting through it once and saying, okay, I'm done, it's not good enough, because you need to bring these skills into your muscle memory so it just happens. Now, I've told you to hold down Command and tap Tab in order to bring this up. I'm going to jump over to Photoshop because I want to jump back and forth between Illustrator and Photoshop without seeing all those other choices. Now, you're watching a video, so you're inside a browser. So right now, why don't you set it up so you pause the video after I tell you to do this, and then hold down Command and then tap over to Illustrator, because that's where we're going to start, and let go. And then Command Tab, and you're going to jump back over to your browser. And you can start the video again. And this way you can work full screen in both apps. And you say, oh, Scotch, I like to work side by side. You know, do you like to eat your soup with a fork? You know, yeah, you can do it, but it's not the best way to get the job done. So take some time, learn how to do this, because once you get it down and you jump between a full screen video and a full screen program, you're able to work. Scotch, I can't see it. Everything's too tiny. Well, you got the video on a little tiny screen. You got a great big monitor in front of you. Use it. Okay? Do you understand? I want you to practice this skill. Jump back and forth between the video and the application. The video and the application. If you have to switch to another program, you end up somewhere else, and then you go like this and you don't go back. Well, hey, I'm in Illustrator. I want to get to my browser. Then tab down to your browser. I'm going to switch to Photoshop because in this video, I'm jumping back and forth between Illustrator and Photoshop. Get it? Learn this skill. Practice it again and again until you can do it without even thinking about it.